We have embarked on the mother of all missions. It didn't start out that way. It was easy. And Google lied to us. Is that one? It's a bookstore. There are tons of people out on a Monday afternoon. They're just walking down the street looking for a comic book store. Because we're not your everyday average travelers. Oh no, we gotta seek out the hard stuff that isn't on the tourist radar. But when we find it, we will let you know. This is how we get around. Should be here. And let us into an alley. Oh, let us into an alley. I see hope ahead. Nope, we passed it. We have found ourselves in the shopping mall. I don't know, we just look. I could ask, I guess. It's gotta be here.
Gotta be around here somewhere.
So I just asked a security guard in the mall because my wife is brilliant. I showed him on my phone. And, well, we came up and he gave me directions, and it was the easiest directions he had ever had to give. All he had to do was point. We were that close. We found it.
Ellie is currently mad at me because I made him take the tram, even though it's a little bit busy. Look at the face that I'm getting.
We could have walked 12 minutes. 12 minutes.
We'd already paid for the ride though, so we took the tram.
We are entering the Basilica Cistern. Movies have been filmed here. Can imagine why.